Stila Stay All Day Liquid Eyeliner. The inky intensity, the quick dry, and that precision point make it easy so you can apply your eyeliner just like a pro in seconds. I'm going to show you 3 ways how I like to use this eyeliner. If you want to enhance your lash line and create more of a natural look, I had Diana start her pen in the middle of her eye and work her way out, following her lash line and enhancing your natural eye shape. It's simple. I had Anastasia use the shade Midnight. We are making a winged eyeliner. Start by placing the tip on the outside. She draws 1 more and work your way in. Now flip your pen and follow your lash line, connecting it to that corner wing. It's a beautiful classic cat eye look with a little bit of a flare. I used black to create a bold cat eye. The trick is to use the length of the felt tip and start my line and fill it in towards my eyelash line. Then to make it bolder, I take that pen just on the corner bottom lash line to connect to the top corner. I use the felt tip to dot in between my lashes. This creates a fade and really opens up your eyes. It's a gorgeous kind of glamorous eye look. Add these 3 tips to your signature Stay All Day liquid eyeliner looks. Stila's Best of Black, we've got you covered. Draw the perfect line every time. Stay All Day liquid liner. Create that perfect cat eye with precision. Waterproof formula stays put until you say when. Smudge Stick waterproof eyeliner. Intense black color with major staying power. Smudge it out for that diffused look. Looking for perfect sultry eyes? A unique gel liner in a pot. Stila Smudge Pot for eyes that rock. Let's line along the waterline. Stila's Kajal pencil. This unique soft texture pencil glides on creamy and smooth. Want to add a little glitz and glam to your classic cat eye? Use Stila's Sparkle waterproof liquid liner. Adds a high shimmer and shine look to your lash line. That's the lineup. You get Stila's Best of Black.